If you drink apple juice every day, what happens to your body? First, your digestive system will get better. The fiber content in apples helps promote good digestive system function and prevent constipation and other digestive problems. The natural pectin found in apples can also help clean the intestines and maintain a healthy gut. Second, the antioxidants and fiber in apples help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Vitamin C and plant compounds also provide additional protection and contribute to heart health. But that's not all. Apples are a low-calorie, high-fiber fruit that not only provides satiety, but also helps control appetite and reduces the likelihood of overeating. At the same time, the fiber in apples can also regulate blood sugar levels and play a positive role in weight control. Share with someone who needs it and drop a yes, I will try it. Now tell me, from which country do you watching this video? Leave in the comment and follow us. Thank you.